to learn more.
Struggling with low credit or no credit? You need a lift. Credit up by 5 seconds. Best there is in credit. The Credit Builder program offers a quick, easy way to get the credit you need real fast.
Better credit got me a better rate on my new truckload. Super easy. Done.
Real help.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located over Richland Hills, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hurst, Farmers Branch, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Addison, Richland Hills, and North Richland Hills. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 51 and 53. Interstate 35E between mile markers 433 and 444. Interstate 30 between mile markers 14 and 39. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.